Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Navneet's Art Factory. So I hope you are doing well. So on the occasion of my birthday, Butterfly Educate sent me a surprise gift. So let's see what it is, and here it comes. So this is the gift. So this Butterfly Educate's logo over here. And now I know some couple of magic tricks. So let's remove this cover in 1 second. So this is the kit. It is a sensor kit in which we can make couple of robots with this kit. So let's unbox this and see how it is. And for sending me this super kit. So I really enjoyed making this as a robots using this kit. So if you also want to buy this kit, check the link in the description below and you can go from the link and buy your awesome kit. For today, if you like this video, please like the video, and also if you are first time watching my videos, then please subscribe and also hit the bell icon, and also share it to your friends so that they may also know which type of kits are available. Bye.